This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Malibu front bumper. Before starting, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a 7mm socket, and both Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers. A specialized clip removal tool will make quick work of plastic fasteners. For comfort, a creeper can be helpful, and always have a soft blanket or towel ready to protect your bumper once it's off the vehicle. Having everything organized saves time and effort. Let's begin by opening the hood. You'll see a plastic shield panel covering the top of the bumper area. Carefully remove all the push clips and any 10mm bolts securing this panel. Next, turn your front wheels to one side to easily access the fender wells. Here, you'll find several plastic rivets and 7mm hex head bolts that need to be removed from the wheel well liners on both sides of the vehicle. Now, let's move to the main bumper attachments. Reach into the wheel wells to find and remove the 10mm bolts that secure the bumper to the fender on each side. These are often accessed through a small hole. Next, get underneath the vehicle and remove all the 7mm bolts and plastic retainers along the bottom edge of the bumper cover. Finally, carefully pull the bumper cover outward from the edges near the headlights and fenders to release its internal clips. With all fasteners removed, the final step is to disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for your fog lights or any sensors. Once unplugged, gently pull the entire front bumper cover straight off the vehicle. Be sure to place it on a soft, clean surface, such as a blanket, to avoid any scratches or damage. Keeping track of where each bolt and clip came from will make reinstallation much smoother. You've successfully removed your front bumper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.